What?
Sergeant Erso, another piece of pie and milk from the kitchen?
What?
I said, an Imperial TIE striker interferes with our mission.
Well, there certainly is a hiccup in stealing the plans. Now I have the hiccup. Brilliant. Hey, Cassian! I thought you were the best pilot this side of Yavin 4.
Ha! Well, strap yourselves in. I'm diving down to the surface.
Aye, aye, Captain.
I have you now.
Right. Don't make me come up there and fly the ship myself.
Take it easy, Jyn. I'll just put the ship in hyperdrive and lose that pesky Imperial Death Trooper.
Captain, the odds of a successful hyperdrive on a planet's surface is 1 in 42 million.
So you're saying there's a chance, K2? What the?
Well, this is a fine mess.
Hey, at least we lost him. Looks like we have to jump down.
Well, Captain, I guess I'll go first.
Do you need help, Jyn?
I'm quite capable of taking care of myself, thank you very much. Are you all right, K2SO?
Quite all right, Sergeant Erso.
See? All too easy.
Well, at least my hiccups are gone now. Anyone for pie and blue milk?